Hello, Chef here. I wanted to share with you something special. Look at this. Wow, giant prawns. It's about as big as my hand. And we're going to be cooking these today. I bought these from the fishermen right off the Atlantic, and they're the freshest, biggest fresh prawns I think I've ever seen. And wow, just wanted to share those with you. They're pretty nice. So that's what one of them looks like there. It's probably about 7 or 8 inches long. Yeah. Here we go. Wow, look at those beauties. Yeah. Okay, the first thing you do obviously is pop the head off. Just a twist like this. Once you remove the head, you can save these if you like for a shrimp stock. Wonderful stuff. And then we're going to peel the shrimp very quickly, just like this. You kind of go 1 and 2 and remove the peel, just like this. There we go, that's a peeled shrimp looking. The finished shrimp, yes, and we'll be adding some Meyer lemon to these today. The finished shrimp.